Do you want to know how you can check your orders on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your orders on your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and then go to temu.com. Make sure that you have logged into your account. What you need to do to check your account's orders are hover around your profile, which is over here, and you can see your orders. Click on your orders and you can see that this page will load up where you can find your orders. So all of your orders will be given in this page, and you can see that there are options like processing, shipped, delivered and returned. So if the order is in processing, it will come in this page. If it will be shipped, you can see that there is a shipped option. Click on shipped and you can see if your item has been shipped yet. And if it is delivered already, the orders which are delivered will be shown here. And if there are some of the orders which you have returned, it will come in returns. You can even search the item using its name, order ID and tracking number. If you can't find your order, you can sign in using another account which you have linked with. So you can use your Google, Facebook or Apple account to find your order. You can also click self-service to find order and write down your phone number and click find order. So other information to find your order are email address, payment information and order ID. This is how you check your order on Temu. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.